Hey everybody, fall is in the air, and today on Simply Mercy B, we're going to make us a hearty turkey and noodle soup. This soup is so creamy and delicious. You do not want to miss this recipe. So sit back and relax. So enjoy the video. Go out and purchase your ingredients, and then come back and let's chat it up about how good this soup is. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I have already washed my turkey and I've checked it over and make sure I didn't have any feathers that sometimes can be left behind. Okay, let's season up our turkey. Today I am using chicken seasoning. And if you do not have chicken seasoning, you can always use seasoning salt. So this is my preference for today. And we're going to make sure we season this up really good on both sides. We're also using garlic powder, onion powder, and complete seasoning. Now don't you worry, these ingredients will be in the description box. Rough chop a medium-sized onion and add that to the pot. Remember, this is for flavor. And then we're going to fill our pot up with water. Thought we was done with the flavors? Oh no! Come on, we're going to intensify these flavors. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. This is really going to amp that flavor up. We're going to make some good broth. Make sure everything is submerged into the water, and we're going to go ahead and let this cook for 2 to 2.5 hours. Now you want to carefully remove your turkey from your broth. And we're going to go ahead and take a spotted spoon and remove your onions. Because we're not going to be using the onion. We only use those to season our broth. Okay? Bring your broth back up to a boil. And then we're going to add our egg noodles. And these are going to cook until they're al dente. So, while our noodles are cooking, we're going to go ahead and remove our meat from the bone. You want to make sure you take all the skin and the small bones that you can find in the leg of the turkey out. Our noodles are now al dente, and now it's time for the star of the show. Okay, so now we're going to add our cream of chicken to our noodles, which has been cooking in that nice, rich broth that we seasoned so well and boiled our turkey in. So we're going to continue with some flavors. We add our cream of chicken. And as you can see, it has already changed the consistency of our soup. It's getting a more creamy texture. Now you absolutely want to taste your soup before you add more flavors, because this might be good enough for you, but I like the richness of this soup. So I'm going to continue on with flavors. And I'm going to go in with some black pepper. And every time I add an ingredient, I'm going to go ahead and stir, because that's the way I like to do it. A half a pack of Szechuan seasoning. Go ahead and get your turkey back into the mix so it can absorb all those wonderful flavors. I'm adding a half a teaspoon of accent. And then we're going to finish this beautiful dish off with 3 tablespoons of butter. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. And if you have enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, and consider subscribing to my channel. And until next time, have a beautiful day.